Wow! Oh my god, bro! Damn! Wow. Yo guys, what's up? This is Alan Chester. Quick thing, I share some extra stuff in my Telegram, like thoughts, life updates, and random things I'm into. So if you're curious, you can check it out. Also, yeah, this right here is kinda my dream vibe. One day for sure. Anyway, today I'm just checking out something I came across recently. This is purely for testing and entertainment, not advice or anything like that. Stuff like this can be unpredictable and risky, so just keep that in mind. Let's see how it behaves.
With small test value here, I'm gonna choose
This setup. Okay, let's set this one. Okay, now it's loaded. I will press this blue button. I will select this one and copy it. Open this one and paste it here. Next, continue. And nice. Now it's processing. Let's just wait for this. Let's reload it once. So, yeah, nice. So let's start our test, guys. I need to adjust some settings now. Completed. Next step. This one. Next step. So now I already got this one, but I forgot to show you how I made some setups, which helps to this bot identify me. So I press fairness, copy it, and paste here. And the same once again with this set. And here, 8. Okay, it's loading. Close. Setting some settings again. Completed. Next step. Loading. Okay, nice. It's loaded, so let's try. Okay. Oh. Got it. And this one. Wow. Okay, guys, I will test it again. Now you see how it works. Next one. Okay. Good. Oh, yeah. Wow. So for now we have this. Let's go try this one. Okay. Wow. Damn it! Damn, bro. Wow, this is speechless. Okay, let me try this set one more time and I will go to my workout, guys. Okay. Next step. Loading. Okay, guys, now it's loaded, so let's go. And, Okay, wow. Wow. Oh my god, guys. It is freaking crazy, bro. Guys, this is insane. So, let's press this blue button. Select this thing, set something, and copy it and paste here. So now we got a message about our request. And guys, while we're waiting for this, let me just say real quick. This is not financial advice, and I'm not recommending anything here. I'm just testing this out to see how it works. Stuff like this is unpredictable. Outcomes can change anytime, and you can lose what you put in. This kind of thing is meant for adults only. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Wow! Oh my god, bro! Damn! Wow. Didn't expect that, not gonna lie. That's kinda crazy to see, but again, just one random result. Anyway, if you're into this type of testing and just exploring how different things work, you can check out my channel. I sometimes post similar experiments there. Thanks for watching, guys. It was Alan Chester. See you in the next one.